Hi, I'm Paul from Velo, and as most of you know, I love Bromptons and I love servicing Bromptons. Our new workshop is focused on all the things that we love, but it also has a heavy focus on Brompton servicing, and it's going to be a Brompton service centre for Bristol. We've already had loads come through the workshop, and here's another one in the stand. One's just rolled out. Chuck another one in the stand and give it some sweet love. So what do we do for a service? Come join me to find out what we do, and I'll take you through servicing this lovely Brompton. For a Brompton service, we fully strip the bike down, strip and re-grease front hubs where possible. So especially cup and cone ones, if they're seal bearings, we check and clean. Everything gets a clean. We check the headset for adjustment, tighten that so it's dialed in nice and smooth, tighten all bolts. We lubricate main frame hinges and the stem hinge. We also take off the hinge clamps, clean them and re-grease them because that makes opening and closing the hinges much better. We clean and check all of this area here, so chain rings, bottom brackets all around. We take off pedals, re-grease pedal threads. We look at the wear on the chain and the rear cogs. So this bike is having new chain and rear cogs because the chain is worn. We clean up all the derailleur area, or the tensioner as it were, and the derailleur here. We go into the rear hub and service it as much as possible. So if it's a BWR hub, a Brompton wide range hub, we take off the pull mechanism and free hub body, clean that and re-grease that. We grease the other side bearings. We service all of the brakes and gears so they're in tip-top condition. We check all the spokes for tension and we check the rims and every bolt on the bike. So yeah, it goes back in amazing condition, and here's a little picture of what this bike will look like afterwards. It's not the exact same bike, but this is what we're aiming to take this bike from this to this. So enough waffling. Let's get out the old trusty 15mm spanner and start getting to work on this Brompton. I would say maybe halfway through servicing this Brompton. Once it's stripped down, things that I'm going to check is I'm going to check the bottom bracket. This one's nice and smooth. If it was really grindy, it would be... I check the main rear hinges to see if there's play. This one, I would say, has the tiniest. I believe Brompton allow up to kind of 2mm play in that area. So I would just advise the customer about that, but it definitely doesn't need to be replaced at the moment. It's going to get a full clean. It needs new brake pads. And once everything's clean and everything's tight on the frame, headset, bottom bracket, hinges re-greased, all of that, wheels are going to pop back in, cranks back on, and it's going to be fully set up, and it's going to be like that lovely bike you see before you now. But I'm going to have to love you and leave you because I've got this Brompton to service. I've got a couple of other bikes still. I've got a few more Bromptons booked in, hand-built wheels, busy, busy, busy. I love it. Love the new workshop. And if you want to pop down and see us or book your bike in for a service, come and see us at our new workshop. Just remember, it's appointment only. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.